Hey guys, in this part we are going to learn about how can you zoom in and zoom out any clip. So for doing that you have to specifically specify the clip. So I am splitting that out. I want to add the effect in this clip. So after selecting that clip, I am going to the filters and then you have to click on this plus and search for size, position, rotation. Okay, then you have to click on this clock, that is actually keyframes. Okay, now I want to zoom that in. You can see that is zooming according to the center, but I want the top side. Okay, top left side. So that is why I am giving the values actually 0 and 0, and you can see we have zoomed out the Jupiter Untitled, and I want to add some effects actually guys. Okay, so I want to make it just a little bit smooth. Yes, and end of the clip I also. Okay, now if I play that video, you can see the effect. Just wait. So this is how guys you can zoom in and zoom out.